Did you know that burning a bay leaf every day could completely transform your life? In today's video, I'm revealing a simple yet incredibly powerful ritual that blends spirituality, intention, and energy to attract inner peace and help fulfill your desires. If you've been feeling like something's missing or that your goals seem just out of reach, then you're in the right place. So many people have already tried this method and are seeing amazing results, from greater clarity to emotional balance, and even achieving their deepest desires. Want to experience this shift for yourself? Stick around because I'm going to walk you through every step, nothing complicated, just a bay leaf and the power of your intentions. But before we dive in, if you're ready to manifest your best life, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more life-changing content like this. Also drop a positive affirmation in the comments below. Something like, I deserve all the good the universe has to offer me. Let's start a chain of positivity together. Now, here's why this ritual is so powerful. Did you know the bay leaf carries deep spiritual significance? It's been used since ancient times for protection, purification, and attracting prosperity. And when we tie it to Buddhist teachings, we find an even deeper connection with cleansing and renewal energy. Imagine using this ancient practice to remove negative energy and attract more abundance, balance, and clarity into your life. How would it feel to wake up every day, knowing your energy is aligned with your dreams? And that's not all. I'm going to share practical tips on how you can combine this ritual with other techniques to bring more prosperity, emotional peace, and spiritual growth. So be sure to watch till the end. Trust me, these small changes can lead to incredible transformations. If you're feeling the energy, hit that subscribe button to stay on this journey with us. Become a channel member for exclusive content and even more ways to elevate your life. Here's a quick challenge after performing the ritual. Comment below with what you're manifesting. I can't wait to read about the incredible changes coming your way. And remember, by simply burning a bay leaf, you're doing more than just lighting a flame, you're setting your intentions into motion. I can already feel the energy shift. Has anyone else tried combining crystals with the bay leaf burning ritual? Tell me in the comments section. As the smoke rises, imagine your desires being sent out to the universe, ready to manifest. Don't forget to practice gratitude. Say something like, I'm grateful for what's coming my way. This simple act of gratitude magnifies your manifestations. Before we wrap up, if you found value in this video, make sure to share it with your friends so they too can unlock the power of this ritual. Let's spread the good vibes and grow this community of spiritual explorers. If you've ever felt like something's missing, or your dreams seem too far away, this video is for you. Many people are already using this method and reporting amazing results: more peace, more focus, and the fulfillment of their desires. If you're ready to unlock your potential, bring more positivity into your path, and create a spiritual routine that elevates your daily life, make sure to watch until the end. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more content that can transform your life. We're building a community of people who are all on the same spiritual journey, and we'd love for you to be part of it. Also, drop a comment below with a positive affirmation, something like, I deserve all the abundance and happiness the universe has to offer me. Together, let's create a chain of positive energy. Let's take it step by step and discover how to incorporate the bay leaf burning ritual into your life. This ritual is all about simplicity, no complicated tools or mystical methods, just you, the bay leaf, and the power of intention. Whether you're seeking prosperity, emotional balance, or spiritual growth, This video will show you how to start your transformation today. Has anyone tried adding different herbs like rosemary or white sage to their bay leaf rituals? How did it impact your practice? Tell us in comments section now. Pro tip: want to supercharge this practice? Try combining the bay leaf burning ritual with other powerful techniques. For example, use guided meditation or visualization. Before you burn the leaf, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and visualize your desires manifesting. Imagine golden energy, symbolizing abundance, flowing into your life. This will set the tone for your ritual and magnify your intentions. Connect with natural cycles. Another tip is to perform the ritual on specific days, such as during the new moon or full moon, when the energy of the universe is most powerful. Mark these dates on your calendar and create a sacred space for your ritual. This alignment with lunar cycles can enhance the results. For those who want to take it further, why not add the energy of crystals? Pair the burning bay leaf with citrine pyrite or amethyst stones, known for attracting prosperity, protection, and emotional balance. Hold a crystal while performing the ritual, or place it near your burning leaf to amplify your intentions. Create a ritual journal. Keep a journal of your intentions and results. After each session, reflect on how you felt, what intentions you set, and any changes or synchronicities you notice. This practice helps deepen your connection to the ritual and gives you insight into how the universe responds to your desires. Are you ready for a challenge? Try a 30-day bay leaf ritual challenge. Burn a bay leaf every day for 30 days and journal your experiences. This consistent practice will strengthen the energy field you create around your desires and speed up manifestation. You might be surprised by the changes that come into your life, both externally and internally. Supercharge your ritual with sound. Did you know that sound frequencies can elevate your spiritual practice even more? Play healing music at 432 Hz or 528 Hz while performing the ritual. These frequencies are known to promote healing and balance, helping to release blockages and manifest your intentions more effectively. After performing the bay leaf ritual, try automatic writing. To gain clarity about what you truly want, take a notebook and start writing whatever comes to mind about your desires, fears, and next steps. Many find that this technique brings deep insights and guidance on their manifestation journey. Bonus tip: consider taking an energetic bath. After the ritual, add herbs like lavender or white sage to your bath, along with some sea salt to cleanse and refresh your energy field. While you bathe, visualize the water washing away negative energy, making room for the positive vibrations of peace, prosperity, and well-being. As we conclude, I want to remind you to stay thankful. Throughout this process, gratitude is one of the highest vibrations you can tap into, and it acts as a catalyst to attract even more goodness into your life. Spend a few moments after the ritual to express gratitude, not just for what you want, but for the blessings you already have. With these tips, the bay leaf ritual will become even more powerful, helping you manifest abundance and peace in all areas of your life. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. To show your support, share this with friends who could benefit, and subscribe to join this growing spiritual community. We're on a journey together, and I can't wait to see where it takes us. Don't forget to drop your positive affirmation in the comments below. Something like, I am worthy of all the abundance and success that is coming my way. Let's keep the energy high and help each other manifest the lives we deserve. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, remember to believe in your power to transform your life.